At this point in the trip, we've lost all the newer Jeeps. So the JKs, JLs, anyone who has paint jobs that are worth anything at all, they've left. Well, the trail's looking a little bit more like this, and we're scraping branches and whatnot. And I don't know if they could quite stomach the paint shop bill. But people like me with orange doors and flaking paint, we're right at home in the woods. Oh no, don't scratch my paint. Ah! Oh, my beautiful paint. If only. Woo, my antenna caught a leaf though. Hey, save the antenna. Push the tree out of the way. Who cares? That is an experience, let me tell you what. Oh, these tree branches are so bad sounding.